Okay, welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue with the tutorials. Now let me show you this. This is the sample site. If I refresh the page, let's see, we have some animation here, but we don't have it here. Okay, and this one, as you can see, this one is big. It's different from this, so we can even work on that. We can click here, then here just put margin around it. Just put something like 20. Okay, just put margin around it to reduce it. Copy and paste. Okay, so just start all of them. Okay, so you see it's now fine. Okay, I think 20 is too big. Okay, so we can even make it just 10. 10 is okay. 10 is okay. So copy and paste the star. Yeah, 20 is too much. Then save that. Okay, so this is cool. Let's look at the mobile. Okay, after the change, because of what we just did, okay, that's why we are facing this challenge. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove that. Remove that. Okay, good. Let's remove it. Make it 0. After that, we can then copy that. And here too, we can remove the 0, the 10 from there. Okay, these two we can also remove that. Okay. Okay, so as we did earlier, we can just click here, click the middle one, check that, put 10 here, then 10 here, 10 at left, 10 at right, and we are good to go. Okay, or we can, you see the gap here is a little bit bigger than this one, so we can just the left, push it again, the left align. Okay, so make it about 13 so that the gap will close. Okay, you have a similar one. After that, just copy that, click here and paste the star. Okay, good. And then come back here, copy this one, click here and paste the star. Good. Okay, so we will copy that, click here and paste the star. Okay, so as I said earlier, it's close to that, or we can decide to click the whole of this container. Okay, just click the whole of this container, then here we can decide to uncheck that. Then we will, at the bottom here, we put like 30. Okay, 30 is too much. Let's make it 20 as we did earlier. So 20. Now we can also do the same for that. Don't copy and paste. 20. Okay, uncheck that again. Then we put 20 here. Okay, so that's it. So we have done it. That's all. Okay, it's looking, it's okay now. Hope you can see that. Good. And everything is fine here. Okay, so if we are done, then that is it. So I will save that, go to the other pages, and everything is okay. So here we can also reduce the size. Yeah, we can reduce the size to make it, let's say 14. Oh, why? Wow, it's more than that. So make it 14. Okay, good. Let me copy and paste that. Okay, I don't want to have a double line like this, like where the tests are 2. I just want to make sure that they are on the same good like this one. So that's why I want to reduce it. I just want to have a responsive website. Good. And this one too, let's to and see. Okay, this one did not change, but let's reduce it once more. Only that, make it 12. Oh, come on. Okay, and let's maintain it in this way. I just want to have clean, and this time on this I will click here and drop it down. Okay, so if here is that, we can make it, uncheck that, and we can make it 80. So negative 80 will be okay. See, it's now on this one. Okay, good. So you can check the other device and adjust it. Okay, you can just adjust this size and everything. So here, this is what I'm going to do. I just want to have that kind of animation. So I will click here, click on this one, go to advanced here, go down here, you will see motion effects here, select, sorry, come here, so select fade up. Good, and that is okay. So we have added the effects. Okay, so right now we will end this training here. In our next video, we'll be looking at how to add, how to change the settings of the WooCommerce plugin, and we will look at how to add tax. Okay, because maybe we want to tax our customers when they buy product from our platform, or we can also how to add a shipping cost and everything. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.